Today I'll be making ground turkey and chicken tacos for Taco Tuesday. Let's get started. I'm going to start by preparing the chicken. I have 3 chicken tenders and I'm just going to season them with my favorite seasonings. I have seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. I'm also going to season the other side. Now that the chicken is seasoned, I'm gonna cook it in my air fryer. I absolutely love the air fryer because it's so easy to use. And I don't know if you can see it, but I did line it with foil first so that cleanup would be easier afterwards. While the chicken is cooking, now we're going to make our ground turkey. My skillet is over medium to high heat, and I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I'm going to add in my ground turkey. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to season it. To season the ground turkey, I'm adding paprika, taco seasoning, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. Now I'm going to cook my flour tortillas. I added a little bit of avocado oil to my pan and I'm going to let that heat up over medium to high heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add my tortillas and I'm going to cook them on each side for about 30 seconds each. I just want them to get a little brown. To keep the tortillas warm, I put them on a sheet of paper towel and place them in foil. My chicken is done. Now I'm going to cut it up into pieces. For me, using kitchen scissors is way easier to cut the chicken versus using a knife. It's a lot faster and it's just simpler. This is my homemade pico de gallo that I'll be using for my tacos. If you would like to check out that recipe, I'll leave the link in my description box. Now I'm gonna make my tacos. For the toppings, I'm adding pico, salsa, jalapenos, cheese, and Greek yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt in place of sour cream because it's lower in calories and it tastes the exact same. You won't be able to tell the difference.
Ryan Little.
And that is it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.